What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, D, D, and I was able to pull Tasia once again. Okay, I think I got a special touch or something. I think that's what it is. But we are out here in Las Vegas preparing for WPPI, and I was like, we gotta get some content. So we're at this lovely undisclosed location because I can't give up all my secrets, but today we're going to be shooting and testing out the 35s. One of my favorite focal lengths, Nikon sent me their 35 1.4, and I always use the Sigma 35 1.4, so I'm going to see which one I like the rendering from. Tasia, where can we find you at?
You can find me on Instagram at simplytasia.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. You are hot, okay? Or you like the heat?
Yes, I like the heat.
Okay, she liked the heat. So we're gonna get it in. Let's go.
Back then, waiting, no better. 100 on the dash with the pedal to the metal. Back when times were easy.
All right. Yeah. Let's see. If you come back right there. I think, yeah, that'll work. I'm gonna have you come over just a little bit. All right, so we are fighting with the sun, you all. Not too bad. We can make it work. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh, I love that. I love that. Boom. Let me get that one more time. 1, 2, 3. That's it right there. That's it right there. 1, 2, 3. Hold that right there. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's it right there. 1, 2. Boom. 1, 2. Perfect. Fire.
I like this outfit in this location.
Yeah, in this location, it works very well.
Yeah, fire.
Boom. So this 35, I'm actually loving. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna stick with this 35. I was gonna switch, but I'm actually loving this, and I'm actually using high-speed sync with this because one of the things I don't like about this 35 is that the filter thread is 62. Most of my lenses start 67 and then go up from there. So I don't have anything with the 62 thread. All right, yeah. Let me play with this angle. 1, 2, perfect. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. I'm adjusting the model because I want to take advantage of the background that we have. So the rocks were kind of having her kind of enclosed, encompassed. And why are we here if we're not going to let it show at f1.4? Yeah, not 2.8, not 3.5. I'm still going to get this at 1.4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I think that's it right there. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Love it. And as y'all can see, I have her backlit, and the flash is filling in those shadows that you see. And I'm using this angle because I want those Joshua trees. All right, 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. Take like a small step back, like right there. Yep, that's it right there.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and try again.
Locked in, tired of no new friends. I ain't seen the sun days, not a glance. Don't hit my line, not a chance. I've been running through the hills, no service. up, no new friends. I ain't seen the sun days, not a glance. Don't hit my line, not a chance. I've been running through the hills, no service. Locked up in the crib about 2 days. I remember days when I was living out a suitcase. I remember times when I ain't even had no toothpaste. I remember times when
Now I don't know how this gonna look, but let's see if you kinda, yeah, kinda, and then something like that. Let's see. It just kinda puts you in the, you can kinda hold it like this. Yeah. See if we make it look like something. Yeah. Perfect. Let me see. Boom. Yeah, let's do that one more time. I think you wanted something right there. Damn, I want to buy that stick from her. All right, 1, 2, 3. Boom.
If I want it, I gotta go get that. Put your hands up if you would, let's get it, let's go. Finna make a million off of music for sure. I don't even think about it in my phone. Locked in, turned on.
She's backlit. We got the mountain, the Joshua trees, and we have found Tasia. All right, so if you're looking for her, she in Vegas right now. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Yeah, let me get a full body. What if you come on the outside of it and lean in on it? Yeah, actually your back to it, that actually look good. Yeah, but I don't want you to get scratched up now. You got, let's see, yeah. Let me see. Well, what if, yeah, if you come and you just kind of like this, yeah. Boom. Yeah. 2, 3. Boom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I like this angle, but I'm kind of looking at like the elevation point too. So if I got my composition here, the elevation, everything is on an incline this way. So I want to shoot towards the elevation. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put her on the opposite side. That way it kind of lines up with the elevation of the shot. So we're gonna come on this side too. Boom. Boom. Love that, love that. And just take your left hand and put it on your waist. Yeah. Perfect. Because now we got the sun trying to come in the frame. Boom. And I want you to look off that way. Perfect.